What's up, guys? In this video today, I'm going to go over something I am jacked about. I've been working pretty hard on trying to get this thing together. It's been NA for a long time, and then now I just recently decided I'm gonna go boost. And that's not very cheap to do, especially if you're not doing kind of like a budget build, so to speak. So what I did is I sold everything NA that I'm not going to be using off the car first, sold it to go boost. So transmission came out, sold that. I have clutch that's going to go out. I have a twin disc already. What else did I get rid of? I had a sheepy hood exit that I got rid of. Fuel pump gone. Injector's gone. Cold air intake gone. There might be a couple other things, but everything that I didn't need that was an NA purpose part, got rid of that. I swapped over to Speed Factory intercooler. I was showing my son all of the Hot Wheels that I have earlier. Here's a twin disc. And again, trans is gone, injector's gone, cold air intake gone, sheepy hood exit gone, and then fuel pump. But car just got wrapped. If you haven't seen any of my videos, please check out some more. But the thing I was super excited about is actually inside at my desk. So I will show you that real quick. Let's turn the light off. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
Alright, so I was looking for possible sponsorships for the car since I am getting my YouTube up and going pretty well. I have over 200,000 views as of a couple days ago, so thank you everyone who has liked, commented, subscribed, anything. If you haven't, in the bottom right corner, I point to my left, so in the bottom right corner, hit the subscribe button. That helps me out a ton. You get notified whenever I order more parts or take more parts off my car or get it to the dyno, get fabbed, whatever. But anyway, I was asking a few different sponsorships for the car. I've never done this. I've never had a car where I thought was sponsorship worthy. The big one I was always looking at, obviously since I'm going turbo parts, I was looking to at least ask turbo companies first. So the one that I got really lucky with, a few I didn't even get a response to, so that's kind of typical. If you're going to ask for a sponsorship, write a few different things on what you can bring to the table for them. So if you can help advertise further for them, kind of who you are, what you're about, where you live. I mean, just kind of the basics. Sell yourself just like you were to sell. For me, I sell cars, so do the same thing. Just now sell yourself and what you're passionate about, what you've been building, and how you can help that so-odd company. So I got super lucky, and let's see if I can turn around, but I got super lucky and got sponsored by Precision. They sent me a few different things, which is pretty sweet. I believe I'm going to have to put these on both sides of my car, so I'm going to probably ask where you guys recommend I toss these. They also sent a absolute massive shot banner. Also, a huge thanks to Nalani at Precision. She was super fast with responding with questions that I had. I also said, hey, I want this, 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 and this. And she even reconfirmed with Tex and all the guys that work there as well, like saying, hey, is this actually the correct wastegate? What do you guys think? She'd shoot out recommendations, make sure I'm building it the correct way. So huge shout out to her. So they sent me, obviously, the banner. They sent me the shirt. They sent me another shirt. This one, I think this one's easily the coolest one. Yeah, I'll kind of do it. Turn around thing. And then, so previous videos, you'll see I have the Black Market Fab top mount. It's a top mount manifold. I have a 66 mil wastegate on the side. The only ones that make that, actually, I believe, is Precision. So that kind of worked out, obviously. So there's that. And then that's a T4, by the way. A local guy, if anyone in this video is watching and they are a K-Series person, you're probably on Facebook and on k28.org. You've probably heard of Charlie Mua. He lives 2 minutes away from where I work, and I hit him up saying, hey, I'm switching colors on the car, just got it wrapped. So here it is. This is super close to what the car is wrapped already, so I'm ditching the red one. I have the 10 AN fittings, or dash 10 is what you're supposed to say. So dash 10 fittings on the front, and then I had this shaved off, so he did an awesome job. There's kind of a better look at that. And then, for the fun part. So we ordered a turbo. I already opened this, obviously. I was super excited to open it first before I was doing videos about it, but we have a Precision 6062 ball bearing. This is the second generation one. I have a 0.7 for AR for the housing there. I'm super pumped to see what this does. Supposedly, I believe the 0.68 is the exhaust side. Obviously, T4 as well, but supposedly this is capable up to 750, says Precision. I'm going to figure out exactly how many pounds I got to push out of this to be around the 550 to 600 range. So that obviously will get me there, and probably plenty more than what I need. So there's that. All the little parts I'm going to need. I believe the flange, clamp. What else we got? More fittings. What do we got here? 4-bolt flange. Another Precision sticker. Little directions. And then also we got the blow-off valve in the mail as well. All the fittings for it. I don't really know much about these yet, so we'll have to learn, but that's good. So that is everything that I received from Precision. No, these aren't free parts. I did get a discount on them in exchange for advertisement. So obviously with me helping them out advertisement-wise, trying to say, hey, this is what I have on my setup. Obviously some people are going to want to know kind of more about the build, see these videos, and the faster I go, and maybe hopefully we get some quarter-mile passes in this year to see kind of what this produces for me, and kind of just makes the world go around. When I scratch their back, they scratch my back, they help out, I help out, we go from there. So that's all I have for today, just a quick little update, and a huge thanks to Precision for helping me out and giving me a discount on all these parts. I will work as hard as I can to try to pay that back in some sort of way, whether that's just a massive amount of views or what have you. So that is all I have for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.